Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the featured image links block. This block creates a row of text links with images as the background. You provide 2, 3, or 4 links with a background image for each link. All these links must have a background image of 255 by 192 pixels. The link text appears on top of the image, so you don't need to include it in your photo. Images should be consistently darkened to provide contrast for white text. So our first step is to create the block. So I'll go to Add Content in the top menu bar. I'll select Blocks, Row Blocks, Featured Image, Links. And I'll expand this so we can see it. Now you can see there it comes in by default with 2 links. I'm going to create 3 just so I can show you how to add another link, but you can do 2, 3, or 4. So I'll have an example of each one at the end of the video to show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is name this block, and we are going to do UM Departments, and I will select the first link, and the first thing I do is choose my image. So I'll click Choose File, and I've got one here. It's come up already because I was just looking at it. It's in my recents. If it's not in your recents, you'll need to go into your browse and just navigate to the image. But I will select Forestry, click Choose, and I'll add some image alt text. This is the legally required image description so that someone using a screen reader or other assisted device will know what this image is. So this is a picture. Oops, sorry. I don't need picture. This is just forestry building. And I want to add a link. The label is the link text. This is what will be on top of the image. And if we do it this way, it's live text, so it's still accessible. Do forestry. And I'm going to use an external link. If you are linking to a page on your own site, then you can just use the internal, navigate to it, but I'm just going to do it this way. So I'm pasting it into the external URL, and then the last field is this target field, parent window tab. If you choose parent window, the link will open up inside your current window. If you choose new window, it'll open a new window. So I'm going to choose new window, and then I'm going to do the second link. So I'm going to select the second link, and I will choose image file. We're doing the Native American Studies program here, so here's my image. I choose that, I click choose, alt text, interior of the Payne Native American Studies building, and I will choose the link. The label is going to say Native American Studies. We'll do external again, and I'll just go copy the URL, paste it here, and I will do another new tab. So there's our second link, and I will just minimize this so we can see this. And I want to add a third link, so I just click on the green plus symbol right here. And this one, we are going to do the law school. So I'll go down, find the law school, there it is. Select choose, image alt text. This is the front of the law school building. This will be an external link again, and I'm just going to say law, and I will paste in the URL from the law school, from their main page. And again, I'll do a new tab. There we go, there's our 3 links. So I will click preview draft, submit, add any comments, and then submit again. There we go, and there is the link. So I am going to go to the page now and just add the blocks to the page. So image, featured image links. I select edit. I'll go to full screen again. Now the first one I will add is the one that we just created. So we need to do content type, set that field to row block, choose the block, and right there, featured image links, departments, choose, there we go. And I will add the other 2 blocks I've already created. I've got one with 2 links and one with 4, just so we can see what they look like. So this is gonna be 2 images, and I will select row block, choose block, probably need to browse for this one. Here we go, featured image links 2, and I will add 1 more row to do the 4 image, and that's gonna be 4 image block, and I will spell image correctly. There we go. Content type set to row block, choose block, go to browse, there it is, featured image links 4, click choose. Now choose preview draft, and we'll just wait for this to render. Oh, there they are, great. So here's the 3, here's the 2, and here's the 4. Great, so the last thing is just to submit. Okay, thanks very much, and I will see you in the next video.